Welcome to another episode of Frankie D Crafter. This week, we'll be making some crafts out of crown beads. So yeah, I have a special guest. He won't let me alone. So we'll just have to make the video with him here. Okay? Got it? Coops, you little punk. You little punk. I hate you, man. Alright, enough of that. Alright, enough of that. I hope it's not a challenge to record with a dog on your lap. A while back, I got some of these beads. I thought I would use them a lot. I only ended up using them about twice, and I think it was like on the slime build. I figured I gotta use them up. I have like 100 of them. So what do I do with them? I'll show you on this episode. Let's jump right into it. Sort of. You know what I'm saying? You little punk. Punk? It's not faced. I'm too weak for him. Let's start as simple as possible. Let's come up with some simple magical items. Sort of like a magic orb. I start off by adding a black watch to my crown bead, just to give it a little bit more dimension. Then using super glue, I add a pearl bead to the top. Simple and easy. Next, for this next craft, you will need crates. Luckily, I have a video on how to make your own. We're turning them into loot. Loot. Oops, say loot. He's snoring. Once you have your crate, you'll need some glue. I'm using tacky glue here and a skull bead. Then you will need my most hated material of all time, sparkling sparkle from the depths of the underworld. Then using super glue, glue the crown onto the skull. I will say you don't need the skull for this, but I think it adds a nice touch. Moving on. This here is the main course. We're making some candelabra. We start by crafting the candle. Simple enough when you have baby Q-tips. Why baby Q-tips? Don't worry about it. We'll get there. Cut the plastic, leaving a bit of the plastic still on the cotton part. Save that part. Don't be wasteful. Get a few segments. Now we need toothpicks and hot glue. We'll get wood shavings off the pick. I think it gives you a more interesting looking flame this way. Make it droopy and make sure you make a whole bunch of these and paint them at once. Even if you don't place them on candelabras, it's good to have them around. And if you want to get ahead of the game, make, I don't know, about 29 of them for our next build. Why 29? I figured somebody would get upset it's not 30. Let's get to the actual candelabra. We're gonna add black wash to it just like we did before. Using super glue, I add another bead. Then I use another material I got that I never actually got to use. Furniture nails. These look lovely. Using the hot glue, we're gonna stick these to the bead. I twist it to get a nice shape for me to paint later on. It's here that we add our candle now. Using hot glue, you can make some drip effects. The more you do it, the better you get. Let's finish painting these. You're welcome to make some longer ones, but those will have to be glued onto the diorama. I feel like they'd be too top heavy. I also don't like how the longer ones look next to the minis. We're not done yet. Bonus guest means bonus build. We still have to craft some jugs. Wait, they're already done? All we gotta do is paint them. If you want to get fancy, I guess you can add a handle to it, but I don't think it's necessary. This look awesome, and honestly, all they need to do is be based to whatever diorama you're working on, and they're ready to go. Awesome. Hope you like the small simple craft. Not all crafts have to be crazy. Not all crafts have to be about sea serpents, grave lord necromancers, epic snake mountains, and temples. Sometimes you just gotta take it easy, make some candles, show those candles off to your friends and stuff. But next week we'll be crafting a boss room to that grave lord, right? So you can show it off to your wimpy friend, showing off his candles to you. You let him know you handled your business. Catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks again to the patrons, like always, the best. Without them I couldn't do this, so huge thanks. Check out the link in the description below if you're interested, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Alright, Coops, get the hell off of me. Get the hell off of me, punk. I swear to God, one of these days, you're gonna get it. One of these days, man. One of these days.